Okay, so we're looking at the screen connected with the HDMI to VGA adapter. Look at the status screen. I mean, it says like okay, it's on standby, yet the screen is displaying some random stuff. I mean, it shouldn't be displaying anything in standby mode. So, well, let's see. This is here the HDMI to VGA adapter, and well, just going to a VGA cable to the monitor, and well, it's just doing weird stuff. Okay, so look at this. I'm just like unplugging this from the laptop. I mean, the screen just goes on doing weird stuff. And besides, well, the laptop doesn't even, well, see the thing being connected, so, well, this is just weird, okay?